Okay, this video is going to be how not to tint your windows. Originally, it was going to be a vlog of me tinting my windows properly, but one window is done, and there are tons of bubbles everywhere you look. There's one right there, there's a big one right there, there's some right there. I mean, it looks like it got scratched by a tiger right here. And there's this big one right there. We tried to get it out and we couldn't. From over here, it looks okay, except you can still see that one.
Yep.
Okay.
It is getting bigger.
I'm gonna have to get this professionally done, but I can't just tint one window and not do the other, so we're gonna do the other super quick, and I'm gonna show you how not to tint your windows. Today I'm gonna tint my own windows with some stuff I got from AutoZone. So I bought this Gila Complete Window Tint Application Kit. It has application solution, which is window cleaner and also acts as an adhesive. There's a low lint cloth, which I don't know how much I trust this, so I'm gonna use some microfiber towels I have, a utility knife, and a 3-in-1 squeegee / conquistador type thing. Today I'm just gonna do the back windows. I'm gonna try these myself and see how they come out, and if they come out nicely, then I'll do the front. So I got some 5% window tint from AutoZone, and I'll tell you how much all this cost. So the tint itself was $16.99. The application kit was $11.99. So first thing we're gonna do is lay the film on the outside of the window, and then we're going to cut it. So I'm only gonna poke a little bit out of here. And so I'm giving myself probably an inch or two of clearance on either side of the car, or on either side of the window. Definitely gotta make sure I don't scratch the window or the car. It'd be really convenient if we had a house with a garage to do this type of stuff, right? Vivian, speak.
Yeah.
They want to hear your voice.
Do they?
They like you.
Do they?
Yes, they like you. People comment on the videos, Vivian, and they say they like you. I'm gonna put this on here like that. I sprayed the window. I have to make some cuts, so this is just way too big. I don't know how these guys do it. This is really hard. That's just way too big. Okay.
Nothing like tinting a window with
I'm gonna get it this time. Stay. Stay! I mean it. There's just way too much excess. Come on, you son of a bitch. No, you need to calm the fuck down over here. So I trimmed it. Now we're just gonna stick it on because I really don't care at this point, and we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. Probably not gonna come out too good because I don't know what I'm doing. This is just hard to watch, isn't it?
I'm just the camera roll. Saying we all know my history with mosquito bites.
I'm going right now. We're gonna get this fucking thing on here, then we're gonna go home and eat cheeseburgers. Am I right?
Uh-huh. That one may actually turn out better.
Maybe.
Than the first one.
I think this is good to go. Give it its first couple squeeges. I mean, the bottom looks good so far. I just have to not mess up. The idea is to start in the middle and work your way out. So I'm going down first. This side looks good. So the whole bottom part looks pretty decent. Now, I need to do the rest of it. So I got the bottom. Got it on pretty nicely. Okay. Slowly working my way up and to the side. Looks like we got a pretty bad bubble right here. Push that out to the side. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna give it a wipe on the microphone. And we're gonna see where the bubbles are at. Oh, there's a nice piece of hair in there. You had to say this side was gonna come out better.
It was going really well until we found that.
It looks like a worm. You know what? I don't care. I'm gonna call tomorrow and I'm gonna make an appointment to get this professionally done. I don't suppose you can squeegee out hairs, so I'm not even gonna try. It's just gonna look bad. Yeah, I am not cut out for this. Let's give it a wipe and let's see where we're at. A little too much wiping. See, now the bottom is not perfect anymore. The bottom was perfect once upon a time. I have proof on video. Okay, I think we should just stop while we're ahead and just leave it be. Gently gonna dry it off so we can gently see what it looks like. This is where those professionals use the heat guns to get all the bubbles out, and it just keeps growing, that bubble. Oh, there's another one.
You got 2 bubbles.
Thanks, babe.
And a large piece of hair.
Yep.
Actually, a couple hairs.
I think we're just gonna stop right here before it gets any worse. I just feel
defeated.
I just feel bamboozled. It is gonna look really good when it's all blacked out. See, that looks good. I think the right side came out better. But another thing is, over time, as all the edges dry, and when the sun gets to it and it cools down at night, all the temperature changes. It's gonna move around a little bit because I didn't use a heat gun. You're supposed to use a heat gun to kind of stretch it out, and then once it clings to the glass, it's not gonna form bubbles. So I didn't do it right. I didn't do a lot of things right. I let the film get dirty. I let it like fall off the glass and onto my lap, and that's probably where it got the hair from. It just did not come out well at all. I'm gonna get this professionally tinted, so calm your hormones. So like I said, I am gonna get this professionally tinted. I'm gonna call and make an appointment soon. Also have some other updates. I ordered the MAPerformance Street exhaust, and I ordered it with blue tips, and it's made to order. So that's gonna be in about 2 or 3 more weeks. And then we'll put that right on. We'll do another 0 to 60 video. I might take it to the drag strip and try a couple quarter-mile passes. And then this weekend, I have plans to meet up with a couple different people. Someone else with a 10th gen Civic, a 2019. We'll do some races. So anyways, I have plans to race a Cobalt SS, a couple 17 to 19 Civic SIs, a 9th gen Civic SI, and whoever else wants to go at it. I don't know. I'll meet some more people and figure that out. So I'll see you next time.